Ano to, Poso Negro lang yan. So tatago sa lupa yan, sir. Kakatas yan doon. Talagang problema siya. Kasi in this area, kami lang po ang gumagamit ng treatment plant. Kami lang po ang meron dito. The small resource don't have.
Really?
Opo, who is going to invest for a STP that will cost you around 7 million? If you only have 10 rooms, 15 rooms, do you think those owner will invest for 7 million sewage treatment plant? They will not invest for that one.
That would disrupt the environment for sure.
Oh, but there is also a certain law, the DNR, I think it should be above 30 or 50 rooms. Then you will be required to have a STP. So there is something wrong with that policy by the DNR. And it should be initiated by the, well, I'm sorry, pasaylo ako, gobyerno. Kasi yung kasi sir, yung mga small and medium, they need support coming from the government. As I mentioned, 15 rooms, they will not invest for STP.
So the government should.
Oh, they should support. There was already a meeting with JICA, I believe, to have a centralized sewage system, but di naman natuloy. Even yung daan lang natin, sir, yung highway, walang kanal. Lahat naman ng tubig niya punta rin sa dagat eh.
So baka may mga presence of coliform or.
There was an allegation, reports already confirmed by the DNR on the previous years, but I don't know how it's now. Kasi definitely,
Everybody's doing that 70, minus 1 because the wall is having its own.
Henan is having STP.
Henan also.
Morita does have. Kasi they have capex to spend. Pero yung 20 rooms, I don't think so if they will build.
So kung dami problema ni Mayor.
Opo, he needs to voice out to the Congress. He needs to ask assistance from the Congress because marami naman pera siguro ang Congress. They could ask support and they could also ask international support. Someone needs to write.
So as we speak, sir, kumusta yung